Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by 58 halfway tree, and this is the PBS building. This is the 10th floor building that was built by Stanley Motors, cost $1.9 billion, and it's located at the Tech Park at 58 halfway tree road. The building has the PBS sign on it, that's why we're calling it the PBS building. PBS is Productive Business Solutions. They are a tech company, and they are actually a part of the same group that owns this complex. And one thing I must say about, since we're doing a drone tour today, there is a lot of space well, not a lot, but there are a few lots in New Kingston where you can build more buildings. That's actually the NHT building we're looking at there. And across from that is Emancipation Park. And that structure on the left is the NHT parking lot. No, parking garage, I should say. This is what we need more of in Jamaica. Parking garages. This thing about parking lots taking up so much space, especially in New Kingston, it's a waste of space. What we need is more parking garages. And there you can see those buildings straight ahead to the left. That is the Development Bank of Jamaica, and then those buildings to the right of it are residential buildings. And that's halfway tree, well, straight ahead in front of the NHT building, that's Oxford Road, and then to the right, that is halfway tree road. But there was an article came out the other day saying that there is a parking crisis in Kingston and St. Andrew. And they listed New Kingston, Downtown Kingston, Ligani, Halfway Tree, Crossroads as areas that are having the crisis. But if they were to build, especially who owns those government parking lots? The KSAMC. If they were to start building parking garages like this, this problem would be solved. That's actually Emancipation Park to the left. And since we're flying here, we're just going to show you the front of the NHT building. NHT is a National Housing Trust. They are a government agency that gives loans to people to buy homes. And the loans are at a lower interest rate than the commercial banks. So it's a very good entity. And I must say it's a well-run government entity. Well-run. You would think you're dealing with a bank when you're dealing with them. Very professional, fully computerized, state-of-the-art. And this is their head office in New Kingston. And I think NHT is the one who maintains the Emancipation Park. And I think more government entities or private companies should volunteer to maintain some of these parks and areas in the city. Like, okay, before we get into that, look, see, there's a lot of space. Alright, like the Bull Bay sign that they just put up in St. Thomas, very nice. They put up a park around the sign where people can go and take pictures. They have benches, but the grass is so high now because nobody's maintaining it. Alright guys, let us know what you think of the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.